Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Suit yourselves as per your convenient time zones. I am in Daringbadi. Let me give you all an update. What happened was I had a poll on Instagram and I asked the public, where do I go? And they were like, let's send you to the hills. And I just was like, cool. Did a little bit of digging. One thing led to another, the other to another, the other to another. And guess what? Here I am. This place where I am is known as Lovers Point. And to be honest, it is visually young. It's sad as well if you're single and you come over here and you look at all the couples everywhere. So, I decided to be smarter and I came in the morning. Nobody here. Whew, that was something. So all of y'all know about the coffee plantation, about the turmeric plantation, about the pine forest, about the waterfalls. How many of y'all know about this little 20-minute trek, which is exhausting, to be honest? Dude, the sun is irritating me now, but whew, you seen the way. Let me show you the view from the top. So the thing is, I'm lost. I don't know where I am, but I've been driving straight for 2 hours and I'm worried that I might not make it in time for the sunset and the waterfall. And oh my god, I am sleep deprived and stressed. Nope. How was the sunset? Don't lie to me, don't tell me it was bad. It was bloody epic. I am not a sunset person, I'm more of a sunrise person, the time lapse. Y'all must have figured out by now. But yeah, the sunset was different, and the best and the worst part about it was once the sun went down, like behind the mountains, within moments the temperature dropped. And within moments, I became an extra person. मेरे चोचले चालू हो गए. You know me. Guess what I managed to do? One thing led to another. I talked with the manager. The next thing led to another, and everything happened. And guess who has a personal bonfire yet again? Other than that, I'm getting barbecue chicken on the bonfire which I'm warming up to. So it's a win-win-win. Daringbadi is something else. Staying in the mountain under the stars near waterfalls, seeing some of the best sunrises and sunsets that exist. But to be honest, when I went to Daringbadi, the thing which got me the most and I loved about the most are the people I met. From Chandan Bhai to Sibba to Mohit, I met so many people who are so cool and so important, and they are talented and skilled. It's like a warm and welcoming feeling over there. I went for 2 days, stayed for 4. Totally worth it. And it's now that you have a lot to explore. There is beauty, no doubt. There is major beauty, but you need to talk to the people there. Amazing people. And yeah, now I'm going to go to the cliched part. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell me your opinions, tell me your reviews, tell me how I can improve, or if I'm just going to... Oh, we'll have to edit that. But yes, all of that is going to be a part of life. Daringbadi was more about connecting with myself and the people over there. Every place I'm going, I'm learning something new. The dip in the waterfall was chilly and down to the bone, yum! Oh god, I need more of this travel. Comment where you want me to go next. I'm gonna have a poll. It's gonna be fun. Bye.